Hi students, today we are going to learn next lesson, that is lesson 5, creating web pages using HTML. Let us have a look. In this lesson you are going to learn about introduction, headers, adding paragraphs, formatting the text, inserting the images, creating tables, creating list and hyperlinks. Let us have a look. Coming to the next, introduction. You have learnt about Excel in previous lesson. In this lesson you must aware with fact HTML is used to create web pages. By using HTML we can create web pages. All web pages that you see on the internet use HTML to format its pages for display in web browser. A web page is nothing more than a file. We can call as a file. Headers. A header element typically contains section heading. I already discussed about these headers in previous lesson. Let's have one more time look. It is important to note that header element doesn't introduce a new section, but it is head of the section. There are 6 types of heading tags are present. H1 is the largest tag and H6 is the smallest tag. Let us have a look. Open the notepad, then write the HTML head, title, about headings, title close, then head should be closed, then open body and write H1 welcome to my page, then close body, close HTML, then save the file, select the location, then write the file name. I am writing headings.html, then click on save button. We need to write .html compulsory after your name. Now minimize this one, open the file headings, open with Google Chrome and you can see here heading 1, you can see here. In that way we can write up to H6, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. I already told you H1 is the biggest size and last size is H6. So whatever the tag you are opening here, H1 open, H1 close, H2 open, H2 should be closed. Like that up to H6 opened and H6 should be closed. Now if you observe here, first one is heading 1, second one is heading 2. After writing the program, save it and refresh your web page. You can see here H1 is the highest size and H6 is the lowest size. In this way we can identify the headings. Our next topic is adding paragraph. How to add paragraph in HTML web page. The paragraph tags are used to identify the block of text as paragraph. This HTML element is one of the basic HTML tags you should learn to use properly. When a block of text is surrounded by the paragraph tag, the browser automatically adds white space before the paragraph, before and after the paragraph. Let us have a look. Next topic is formatting the text. The various text format used in the Word can also be done in HTML using the font tag. Changing the font, changing the color of the text, changing the font size, making the text bold, making the text italic, making the text underline. How can we do it in the HTML page? Let us have a look. Open Notepad file and write HTML head, title, about paragraph. Title should be closed and head should be closed. After that body open and I am pasting some paragraph. I have taken about paragraph. This is about hypertext markup language. Now I will close the body, close the HTML, then file, go to file menu, click on save, select the location and write your file name. I am writing paragraph. After writing the file name you need to save with .html. Then click on save button. Our paragraph file has been saved. Now that is here. Double click to open it and here you can see here it is look like some normally hypertext normally it's look like some normal paragraph. How can you write the paragraph? How can you apply the paragraph tag? See here paragraph. Now I am going to create two types of paragraphs in this. Paragraph 1 and paragraph should be closed here. This is second paragraph and paragraph open and in the last paragraph should be closed. Go to file menu and save, refresh. Now you can observe here two paragraphs came. Have you observed here HTML stands for hypertext markup language, that is paragraph 1, and HTML uses to define the manipulation, that is called paragraph 2. In this way we can insert paragraphs in our web page. Okay students, I hope you understood this lesson. Meet you in next class. Till then, take care.